How to install your grip fit blind. First, we'll assemble our grip pads to go into the cassette. On one side, insert your adjustment block into the holder, ensuring the 0 is on the outside, and slot it into the grooves in the cassette. Take your bracket and rubber pad and check the back of the pad for the up arrow. Flip it upside down and slot into the bracket and insert into the block holder. So when we turn our cassette to install, the pad will be the right way up. Do the same on the other side, ensuring your minus adjustment block has a 0 on the outside. Insert the block holder into the cassette, then assemble and insert your rubber pads the same as previous. Now we can install the blind. Install the cassette into one side of the recess and rotate the other side into position. Now you can engage the bracket on both sides of the cassette. Now slide your cassette covers to each corner to cover the gaps on both sides. The cassette is now secured in place and we can install the blind. Insert your idle end into the bracket into the cassette. Then lift the control end into the opposite side and clip into place. Double check the operation, and that's how to install your grip fit blind. If you find that the cassette is loose on installation, then we're going to amend our plus adjustment block. Remove the rubber pad and the block holder. And we're going to rotate the block through -1, -2 or -3 mm. Reinstall the block, and then the pad, and reinstall the cassette into the recess, ensuring a snug fit. If you find the cassette is too tight, then we're going to amend the minus adjustment block. Remove the pad and the block holder, and we're going to rotate the block to 1, 2 or 3 mm. Reinstall the block and then the pad, and reinstall the cassette into the recess, ensuring it's a snug fit.